Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu Alaikum. Dear student, welcome to my YouTube channel Learn with Azam. Today we will discuss about new syllabus National Book Foundation Physics SSC 2 Unit number 12 Geometrical Optics. Now we will discuss according to SLO base or FBISE requirement short question answer question number 1 to 5 in part 1. Now we will start short question answer question number 1. The given statement of question number 1. When you look at the front side of polished spoon, your image is inverted and from a spoon. Your image is erect. Explain your answer. First of all, you see in this diagram, and now we will start the explanation. In the explanation of your answer, it is because your face is outside of focal length of a concave side of a spoon. We see a virtual and inverted image where in case of concave mirror. We can see a virtual image which is erect. This is because when the image is between pole and focus. Now we will get the erect and enlarged image. We can see a inverted image in a spoon when we kept from your face with a concave side toward your face. Now it is because your face is outside of the focal length than concave mirror of a spoon. Now we can explain more for this question. We can write that we see a virtual and inverted image, whereas in case of concave mirror we can see virtual image which is erect. This is because when an object between pole and focus we can get erect and enlarged image also performed. I tried to get a virtual image with a phone, but I could not get even after wearing it close of my face. This is probably because the focal length of phone was too small. Now, unlike a flat mirror, the curved surface of a spoon below the bonus of incoming rays because towards a central focus point lying between your face and the center of the spoon. Now, in passing through the point of the rays from the upper part of your face and reflected down, well, those from the lower part of the surface reflected the upper. Now you can say that the image is performed. Now we will move the question number 2. In question number 2, which mirror is used by a girl for a makeup and why? So this is the simple answer of this question. First of all, see in your answer in diagram. Here now we will explain why this mirror is used and why the image is enlarged. Now you can write that concave mirror is a magnifying object in a focus. So they use for shaving or applying the makeup because they reflect the real almost three-dimensional image. Now concave mirror or curved mirror, and as a light hit the upper and lower portion of the mirror, the image is focus at the central point projected outward from the mirror itself. This means you do not have to look into the mirror itself to see your reflection. And image is clear and sharp than with a flat mirror. Now we can also say that in terms of physics, a concave mirror is a kind of spherical mirror with its inner curve is the region of reflecting surface. So the property of concave mirror utilized in a makeup mirror is that when the object is kept between the focus and the mirror is virtual and magnifies images performed. Now we will move the next question. In this question, with given statement is that why our large concave convex mirror is fixed at the turn of mountain. Now, this is also a simple question why we use a convex mirror at the turn of mountain or high road buildings. So, this is the simple answer. We can say that convex mirror or the fixed or very sharp turn of the road that is the mountain because convex mirror are diverging and image is due to divergence. We can know about the car coming from the side of the turn as the image is reflected is greater. Convex mirror is give wide angle of the view of the other side of the blind turn. Convex mirror is a small focal length. So this is used in case of diminished. Erect image of the automobile coming from the other side of the blind turn so the mirror are mounted to the well ceiling a part of the hallways across the other short turn. So this spot will be provide the people good view and their surrounding and its other automobiles. So convex mirror is also used for provide safety motors and on the road driving ways and etc to use the saving point. Now we will move the next question in question number 4. Which mirror are used for review of vehicles and why? So this is the also again according to the convex mirror. So a convex mirror is always from a diminished virtual and erect image. Also, it allows more light to fall because the nature of curvature. Hence, it is more field of view. Thus, the convex mirror is used as a rear view of the image in a vehicle. So, convex mirror are commonly used as a rear view, for example, being mirror. So, vehicle because they give an erect, virtual and full size of the image between the distance of the wider field. So we can use a convex mirror unable the drive to which much more large area we follow with a plane mirror. So convex mirror are used for a rear view of mirror in a motorbike and also in a virtual and erect image, which are much smaller than the object, irrespective for the distance of object. So, convex mirror help to the driver to view a large area of the traffic behind him and can easily detect the vehicle coming or running behind. Now we will move next question number 5. If a person is walking on a pole, why do the legs appear short in the water? So this is the simple answer. First of all, given that a person's legs appear shorter in a water, so reflection of light when rays passing through the air to water, then the reflected rays bend toward the normal. When the rays passing through the water to the air, the reflective ray bend away from the normal. So we can know that the refractive index of water is greater than the air. So a person leg appear to be short while standing in the tank of the refraction. Now we can also say that a person's leg appears shorter in a water due to refraction. So this is the explanation. When the ray passing through the water to air, then the reflective ray bent away from the normal. And we know that the refractive index of water is greater than the air. So a person leg appear to be short while standing in a tank due to the refraction. So